later identified as one of the children in the household, suddenly hangs up while officers are en route.
528, we're out. Doesn't have any info for the mail. Is that it?
Cars in the driveway. Black male, dreads, white shirt.
Is he still there?
Standing there. Something else, man. Answer the door! It's the police!
528. We have the male standing inside, but not answering the door.
Answer the door! It's the police! Got a drink in his hand.
Hello?
My kids are upstairs.
Where are they at?
My kids are upstairs.
Can you tell them to come down here? Hey!
He has a gun.
He has a gun?
Yes.
Can we go in there?
Is he armed with a gun right now?
The gun is upstairs.
Radio, we're being advised there's a firearm upstairs. Doesn't appear to be involved yet. The male just slammed the door in our
Is
face.
this gun locked?
I have no clue.
Where are the kids at? Which bedroom?
If they're in the room above the garage, he broke my phone. I can't call my kids.
Can you go over by our police cars? We need to... I want to get the kids.
Yeah.
Are they his kids too?
No, they're not his kids.
We can go in there and get them?
Yes, please.
We need some more people on this. 536 Radio, could we get a couple more units? We've still got 2 kids inside the house.
Police department! Police department! 528 priority. We're making entry to remove the kids at the request of the victim. Police department, come out! Show me your shots fired, shots fired.
Go on, come on out. Hold on. Hey, that's his room! That's his room! That's his room!
He's got, it looks like an AK.
Get inside! Get inside! Get inside!
Check yourself. He's shooting out of the house. He's shooting out of the house. Oh my God.
Still got the
No.
Just be advised, the children are still inside. We don't currently have a phone number for them. Go back.
If you can get them back on the phone and get them to get out the window. You got a rifle? Get your eyes on the front door. He should be in this window up here. I see the window open, but I don't see anybody. Somebody to block morning view. There's people coming. Hey, get the away from there. He just shot at a patrol car parked on the east end of Morning View. Police!
Will become an hours-long standoff just 20 miles from bustling Detroit. Multiple dispatchers must coordinate to gather information and plan an escape for the victims trapped inside, all while directing other callers to prevent further disaster. This difficult task is made even more challenging by the unexpected obstacles that lie ahead.
911 emergency. What's taking the police so long? We're on our way right now. Who is this? I called you earlier. All right, ma'am. I just need you to go ahead and stay in your home and stay down, okay? But we're on our way. Tell them to hurry. Ma'am, we are. 911.
Okay, so there's gunshots.
There are gunshots. I do have to let you go. Stay inside your home. 911.
The police are already here. I'm across the street. I can't get in contact. I don't know what's going on. He has my kids.
Listen to me. Are you in the garage of somebody else's residence?
Yes.
They're working that event. You need to stay within that garage. Do not leave. They know that you're there, okay?
Are my kids still alive?
Your children are still in the home. We have them on 911 currently. Who is the male that's shooting?
Dewan, D-E-J-U-A-N, Evans, E-V-A-N-S.
I need you to stay inside that garage, but I have to let you go right now. We have a lot of things that we have to try and deal with.
Okay, but my kids are still alive, right? I just want to make sure.
There. Yes, we are talking to them on the phone.
We still need westbound Morning View blocked. We got civilians still driving through. And dispatch, while you're working on it, we're also going to need northbound Winterset blocked.
911 emergency.
I just got a call for one of my homeowners. There's a gunman in his house.
Yes, sir. We're on the scene investigating this.
Okay, thank you very kindly. Okay, listen, my neighbor said the gunman was in his garage.
The gunman's not in the garage. They're in their own home. Thanks. Bye-bye.
I built a screen to my window. If you guys can have like a trampoline or some other inflatable, I can jump down.
Okay, well, we're going to do the best we can. Can you hear him yet?
No, I can't hear him.
Okay. 911.
I don't know where the police is.
Ma'am, are you still calling about the female in your garage?
Yes.
Okay, we understand that they are containing the shooter right now. The female in your garage is fine. I spoke to her. She presents you no threat. So please just let her stay in your garage for her safety while they try and get the scene situated.
By this point, it is likely that officials have called in SWAT. However, it will take some time for them to arrive on scene.
They're on the second story. They cannot jump out. He's telling me they're not going to. It's too far up. They won't jump. They're going to be outside to try to catch them because that's what he's worried about. Okay, my officers want to know if there's any way that you can try to even dangle down.
It's too far.
Go out there and look. See if you can just try. They're going to catch you.
Okay, I'm going to try. She doesn't even catch me, but if I dangle down, they can catch me.
Hold on, we're going to see if we can maybe get a ladder. I'm not sure if we can, but hold on. They can see you. Do you see the officers?
Yeah, I can see my mom. I can see her.
And there's no way you can try to, even for safety, try to get out of there? You guys can't? Are you just scared?
Okay, I can. If you guys can get a ladder, that's great.
911.
Somebody shut my garage door, and I don't know who's in there. Please send an officer to my front door.
Are you able to ask through the garage door?
No, I am not. I need an officer at my front door.
We have officers trying to save some children from a house currently with an active shooter inside of it. I understand you're scared. Keep your doors
I have an active shooter in my garage.
She is not armed.
I don't know if the guy is in there with her.
She is not, ma'am. Please listen to me. Your address has been given to the officers. They are aware that she is there, and they have the other home contained where the shooter is. They will be to your house as soon as they are able to, I promise.
So I don't get an officer at my front door?
They will be there for you as soon as they are able to.
They know where she is.
Okay? Keep your doors and windows locked.
She let my garage down. I heard her let
fine.
Hey! Go back! Turn around! Hey! Blue shirt! Sir! Turn around! Hey, stop! Stop right there! Do not move! Do not move! Stay right there! Do not move! Do not move! If he changes... No, that's the kid. Hey, go! Alright.
Does he have both the kids?
No, you can disregard that. It was the kids coming out. The kids are out of the house. It was not the suspect.
Oh my God.
Hello?
I just want to let you know our police officers have your children. They are safe and out of that house.
Thank you.
I, again, just want you to remain in the garage where you are at, okay?
Yeah.
You fall back here. We got 1, 2 cars.
Okay. These cars got shot. Okay. Second floor, this side, west side. That's the last time I saw them. Were here. Yep.
Sit. Sit.
I don't know who fired those shots.
That sounded like, that's what his sounded like. I think that was him.
Who fired those shots?
Yeah, he did.
That thing's smoking.
Suspect fired again. He hit a patrol car on Middle Belt.
We're in the wind here, boys.
I know.
We need to get to this side of the
house.
We need this side of the house. We're gonna this. We're here.
We're way too close here. We need armor. Get a roll.
Who's running back? We're gonna have to start pulling back over these armor up here. We're too close.
Be careful there.
Okay, no stop. Patrol
Get
car on
somebody
Middle
over to that wall.
No stop. Anybody on Middle Belt needs to be way back.
Got nothing.
There you go.
Yeah, it's visible. Like from here, where I was at, I could see if he came out the front door. That's it. Dude, yeah, I think he's hit like 3 patrol cars now.
There's no point in even covering this. Unless he gets up to this car, I can't shoot him anyways.
Him?
Stop one of those. Stop one of that armor there. Stop that MXT. Stop that MXT. We're going to need to utilize that to get guys back out of the line of fire. Stop that car right there.
More rounds out the front of the house.
Sniper shot. Subject down.
Yeah.
Get over here! We have to get on it! Bring it over here! We need to get on the bear! Bring it over here! Move the bear over here! Front doorway, still moving his feet.
Moving?
Over here so we can get on it! Style rifle down, aiming at us. No longer moving, down. Yeah, we're trying to get a shot. We need the bear here! Feet are moving, but he's dead.
I can see him. He's moving.
What?
Make sure your hands are empty and free. Back yourself out of the doorway. We will provide medical treatment for you.
Yeah, we're pushing out. Hold the medics.
Okay. You want to take this from me? And I fired inside the house.
Oh, you fired?
Yeah.
All right, hold. No, we can't send him. Hold this. Are you guys okay? Bro.
He fired it.
I don't want him going.
Okay.
I don't want him going. We want somebody unrelated to go. Come here, Mo.
In the driveway. Driveway. Pull in the driveway. Get in the rig. Rifle. Get a rifle. Run.
Should we? You want me to have him leave his key in case that needs to be moved?
Yep. Hey, get that key from him, Weezy.
Boos! Boos, get his key.
Boosie got shot at. Boosie, how about you find hold my house for us?
This is the front door?
Yeah, hold the front for now. I'll get somebody in the back for you.
House is clear for you guys.
Thank you. We wouldn't have went in if the kids weren't in there.
So I can check getting shot at off the list. Do me a favor, where's your scout at?
This one.
Oh, you guys are doubled up?
We were in this.
Jump your gun, take your vest off, we're gonna have you chill out a little bit, take a break, okay?
Where do you want me to put the gun?
Let's put it in one of the scouts, put it in one of the racks. Okay. Just throw them in the back, sit in the air conditioning, relax for a minute, be good.
I'm just glad the kids got out.
Yeah. I'm glad you guys got out, right? If it was, listen, if it was different people, could have went way different, right?
Yeah, I mean,
thankfully, it was you too.
After his arrest, 32-year-old DeJuan Patrick Evans was charged with 6 counts of assault with intent to murder, 9 counts of felony firearm second offense, 2 counts of assault with a dangerous weapon, 1 count of felon in possession of a firearm, and 1 misdemeanor count of domestic violence. He was placed on a $3 million bond. 2 weeks later, he entered a plea of not guilty. His case is currently going through the court system. If DeJuan is found guilty on all charges, he faces up to 58 years and 3 months plus 6 consecutive life sentences. He is considered innocent unless proven guilty in a court of law.